General Mkhwanazi ukhuluma into angazazi nje. Azikho, there's nothing like that. That what General Mkhwanazi is talking about is in his own head, in his own mind. Ayikho leyo nto.
The Madlanga Commission's terms of reference allows for immediate action without waiting for the final report. No one is above the law. No one is above the law. A suspended senior official attached to Metro Police Department was arrested earlier this morning following his testimony before the Madlanga Commission. The suspect is expected to appear in court on Monday on charges relating to defeating the ends of justice. Further details will be communicated in due course. Zindaba lezi esivuke ngazo namuhla kodwa bekungakacaci kahle. Okuthe makuhamba isikhashana uYusuf Abraham G wayeseyayiconfirma le ndaba ekade ibhaliwe nje kuthiwa lo muntu osuspendiwe osebenzela i-EMPD uboshiwe. Usekuconfirmile-ke uYusuf Abraham G ukuthi lowo muntu loyo uCommissioner Julius Mkhwanazi. Futhi-ke confirmed, the SAPS Madlanga Commission's task team has arrested a 50-year-old senior municipal official for fraud, corruption, and defeating and/or obstructing the end of justice. The official was arrested this morning at his home in Gauteng. The task team is still searching for other suspects linked to the case. These arrests emanate from an ongoing investigation into corruption within the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, EMPD. No further comment will be provided on the merits of the case at this stage. All suspects are expected to appear before the Boksburg Magistrate Court on Monday, 20 April 2026. Latest, Julius Mkhwanazi is being held at a police station on the East Rand. He will appear in court on Monday. Sources say the arrest of at least 2 or more Ekurhuleni officials is outstanding. It's believed they are searching for them. Also, I was also told that RSA IPID was not told of the arrest and it has angered them. IPID has been probing Mkhwanazi for some years. Uzokhumbula ukuthi IPID ibiphenya udaba lokufa kukaMbhense. Nangu uMbhense lo uWitness D atestifya ngaye othi bamthochara waze washona. Bathe mayeseshonile base befonela Julius Mkhwanazi, uCommissioner Mkhwanazi. Ngeso sikhathi wayesese ubrigadier. Wayeseyafika kuyisini, uyena wabayalela ukuthi abayikline kanjani isini, wayalela uWitness D ukuthi akathatha umzimba bayowudampa edamini lapha abawulahla khona umzimba. Lelo cala mcabanga lenzeka ngo-2022 if I'm not mistaken. Ngakho-ke i-IPD beyiloku liphenya lolu daba. Okuthe emveni kokube setestifyile uWitness D kwiMadlanga Commission, kwadlula amaviki wadutshulwa washona. Emveni kokushona kwakhe i-IPID yayikhipha i-report yayinikeza uNational Commissioner. National Commissioner wathi-ke sebezoyithathela iy'nyathelo kusuka lapho. Kodwa nje beyingekho into abebesayikhulumile. Ngiyacabanga nabo bebesahlanganisa ubufakazi babo, kodwa ubufakazi obupheleleyo i-IPID bisibukhiphile. Yingakho lolu daba luyithinta i-IPID ngoba ukufa kuka-Witness D ufa nje kusolakala nalensizwa leya eyazithatha umphefumulo wayo yayumngani wakhe uWitness D ukuthi iyona le eyayidriver uSotheni lo osolwa ngecala lokubulawa kaWitness D. Lo kuyena osolakala ngokudubula uWitness D. Uyena okuthiwa waye udriver wakhe ngoba uma bephenya bamthothi bayamlinka kuleli cala. Ilo wathathi wasurvivor edutshulwa wayese ekhetha ukuzibulala yena. So udaba lumkanje Commissioner Julius Mkhwanazi uboshiwe ezisikhuluma uzovela enkantolo on Monday. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngiqale ngale video engiqale ngayo kaGeneral Sibiya ukuthi Yonke lento eyenzekalayo nalesiyibonayo yenzeka ngenxa ye-media briefing yangomhla ka-6 kuJulayi 2025 lapho uGeneral Mkhwanazi atshela khona isizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kwaba kuningi ukukhuluma. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uGlenis Breitenbach we-DA wathi leya media briefing was not necessary. uPaul O'Sullivan wavela wathi no, lento uMkhwanazi nendlela ayigqoke ngayo nje ngalelo langa yayingekho necessary, yasingekho nesidingo sayo. Yonke lonto leyo uyazibuza ukuthi he, kazi bathini namhlanje uma sekwenzeka kanje? Bathini uma sizwa lama testimony siwezwa kuMadlanga Commission nsuku zonke? Uma sekunje kanti babe against into eyenziwa uMkhwanazi. Ngikhumbula uFikile Mbalula ukuthi ngosuku langomhla ka-6 ngesikhathi ayikhulumile uGeneral Mkhwanazi, i-NCA yambiza yakhuluma naye waphendula kanje.
It borders on lawlessness and a banana republic that a police, high-ranking police commissioner can basically go to television and make a disparaging and grave accusations and allegations in the way we have learned about them. And it borders on lawlessness and banana republic because at the end of the day, we've got to do something about those things. And also the protocol and the discipline of the police command and control is very important. I was a minister of police. I worked very well with the police and I know protocols of the police, but I'm not about to talk about my own personal experience. Let's deal with the principle. The principle is that the head of state and our president will deal with this matter. That is what, as the ANC, would like to see.
Okay.
Khuluma ngeprotocol. Uma ngabe uGeneral Mkhwanazi akayenzanga lento ayenza ukuthi enze le media briefing, walandela iprotocol njengoba esho uMbalula, futhi ukhuluma kahle ngoba kwaba uminister wamaphoyisa, uyazi kahle iprotocol. Uyazi ukuthi kufanele kubikelwe bani, ubani abikele bani. Ukube wakwenza lokho, ngabe lezi zinto esivela namhlanje ngabe zikhona na? Ukube wakwenza, ngabe siyakubona nalokuboshwa kwabantu. Phela sikhumbula ukuthi kulamaviki adlule beboshwe uSayijen Fani Nkosi. Kulamaviki adlule ayikudala, emavikini adlule bekuboshwe uSayijen Fani Nkosi. Ubezoboshwa na uma ngabe uGeneral Mkhwanazi azanga ayenze lento ayenze ukuthi aye abe ne-media briefing yangomhla ka-6 kuJulayi atshelizwe ukuthi hey kune drug cartel khona la and is taking over. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi kazi bathini bonke labantu namhlanje? Bonke laba babethi ya le media briefing le ya it was not necessary. Bathini namhlanje uma kwenzeka kanje? Lamaqiniso esiwafunde lapha yana. Iziningi into ezishaqisayo sizifunde lapha. Ngiyakhumbula utestify omunye usiso wakhuluma ngokuthi wayikhala inyembezi wemetro, owayikhuluma ngokuthi bathi wayisebenza kulento yo-communicator ne-media. Ekhuluma ngokuthi waze bangazi noma basuwe emathuneni. Impilo yabo indlela ayisengcupheni ngayo. Usisi lo owayesebenzile iPD wakhuluma ukuthi baze badubula ngisho indodana yakhe. Ngenxa lo msebenzi, ngenxa le investigation. Umntana wakhe namhlanje noma angazange asichaze isimo sakhe kodwa namhlanje usasafara from la leso simo. Konke lokho. Yazi kubhlungu kanjani ukubukela abantu bekhala inyembezi ngenxa yomsebenzi. Ukuzwa uwitness A ethi akaza ngambonga ngani uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngoba impilo yabe yayisengcupheni. Ukuba zangangenelele benoGeneral Khumalo ngabe impilo yabe isengcupheni. Imagine kungabani ukuthi uhlukaniswe nomndeni wakho uyobekwa ku safe house ukuze kuphephise impilo yakho ngoba abantu odila nabo bengathi bengama untouchables. Ukuba uGeneral Mkhwanazi akayenzanga le media briefing ngabe sikuphi? Sithi sizula yeke impunga yehlathi. ngicela siyibambe le video soqhubeka nodaba ngeMonday ngoba njengoba mhlampe nakusasa kodwa njengoba esanda kuboshwa nje iningi into esazovela kodwa amacala asabekona okwamanje sizwile corruption, defeating the ends of justice nanene angisakhumbule lelinye kodwa nje awu3 engiwazwile kodwa ngoba kusewudaba olusaqhubekayo kuningi esisazokuthola.